cat. So I have this kinetic sand.
Mm-hmm.
And I can make a castle.
There you go.
And now I'm gonna flip it.
Wow. You did that fast.
Yeah.
What else can you make?
So I could make a crab, which is kind of hard.
And it's so bulky.
I'm gonna flip it to see what I made.
Whoa.
It's sticky.
It's sticky.
Oh yeah. It's
There
the
it is.
crab.
It's a crab.
And then there's one more
One more.
turtle.
Fish. Oh.
Is a turtle considered a fish?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Technically
Papa.
it is.
Mine so sad.
And now I'm gonna dust it off. And then flip.
Whoa. And this is kinetic sand. It's pretty cool
And I
stuff.
can also stretch it.
Oh. That's so cool.
Look. The dash.
And then now
That.
I'm gonna do the last one.
Daddy. I'm going to play with him.
Hold on. Cash is moving. Alright. Whoa, look at
And
that.
and it also comes with a shovel.
That's so cool. It's pretty awesome, huh,
How
Cash?
this?
Bye.